Hi there and welcome back to part 2 of my bug house build. In the previous video I showed all these little bits and bats that I would be putting into the bug house. I've decided to put some partitions in just to separate all the different stuff, so I'll start doing that straight away. Just using some old scraps of wood here. Start by screwing that into there. Even better if I hit the piece of wood. Here we go. Screw number 2. Not the best place to put my camera. I've actually stood my camera on top of all my screws, which wasn't the best plan. For this one, we'll put this in there, and as you can see, then with 4 different sized containers inside different sections. Turn it around, do the other side. Get myself a few more screws out. Oh yeah. One. My screws are mixed up and not very well organised. Typical workshop. Thread's gone on that one. Just pulled it in a little bit more now. Decided to go with these because I just thought they'd hold all the different bits and bats in better in between all the different sections. Looks a bit neater, a bit more finished off. Actually, put that one in a different place. I'm totally missing that one. Good job it's only a rough one for outside. There we go, that's 4 different sections now. I'll start adding the materials into it to try and make it look a bit better, more like a bug house. Right, so I've got the old Christmas tree, which I showed you last time. Bugs don't love to climb in and out of this sort of stuff. Just get in there and dig in and do whatever they need to do in there. I'll have that there, and on this side I'll put a little bit more of this in because I haven't got a lot of pine cones, so if I put some of this in first, I'll bring my pine cones forward a bit more, like so. Small, that's good. A bit more of this to put in. This is just like bits of bark off old logs that I had. A bit better into that one, I think. In the final row, I'm going to be putting all these bits of logs with the hose in for the bees to climb in and out of and sleeping during the winter months when it's a bit colder. Set these there. Fill some of these gaps in with little bits of twigs and sticks and basically anything you can get your hands on. As we push that in there, just give that a little tap with my hammer just to take it down a little bit. Some more bits there, bits of log and twigs and, like I say, anything at all you can get your hands on. Basically that's it filled up. That's how it looks filled, which doesn't look too bad. Oh, missed a bit. Put those in. For the top, basically, it's just a piece of wood fastened together at the corner with wire. Don't know why I did it with wire, just thought it would be different and a bit quicker. Turned out it wasn't any quicker, more of a pain in the bum. Anyway, we put that onto there, get it more or less level. Right, wire's only on roughly, it's only hung down at the corners at the moment. And then get me drill a little pilot hole in each corner there. Try and get more or less even. It's only for the garden and not making the best project in the world. Definitely won't be the best looking. It's a great little project for people who like to invite bugs into the garden for all the plants, bees and any other sort of wasps, stuff like that come in. So finding the 4 biggish screws just to hold it down at the corners. Hopefully these won't be too long. Caught it nicely. I'm going to mess with this one. Just matter if it comes out a little bit in there, I don't think insects are going to complain. After all, it was rent free. That's it, down all 4 corners. Nice and down. These bits here, you don't have to worry about these because they're going to be covered over. Now, for this top part, I was wanting to cover all these with bits of log on the corner, difference going down inside if possible, if I've got enough. Off with a bigger one, getting smaller as we go along. Just move that along a bit so you can see a bit better. Small one, big one. Medium and a small. Might change that one, it's a bit too small. But anyway, for now that'll do. It's not going on properly as yet. Where's that one gone? That'll do for them. These bits here I want to be covering over with some of these flat bits of log. You can see they've been cut into thin strips. Just here and there, just to hold it in place, maybe each end like that, probably better. to add a few branches along the way, just give them something to climb on the outside, maybe something like that. Have a little play around, however it suits you best if you're making one at home. Like so. And just, obviously, I've not got a lot of the flat branches, but I can always hold these in place with bits of log. Doesn't matter, it's only to stop the stuff from flying out, I have to be perfectly fixed. Just grab a couple more pieces of log, bear with me. I like to keep a few logs chopped up and bits and batch, making stuff like this on the days when I get bored and have nothing else to do. I'll swap that one for that one actually while we're here. Great little log slices, great for the projects like Christmas decorations and things like that, or decorating round mirrors, picture frames, anything like that. And I've got a couple of these what's got the hose on the outsides for the bees, which I'm just going to bob here and there. It's got a lot going on as this one, but I like it because it gives them something to climb around on, breed inside. Things like that. Basically you can add stuff however you like. I like it busy, very very busy. That way it's got more to do. So basically that's what I'm going to do. And I just need to start up my generator, my compressor, so it's going to get a little bit noisy for a moment. If you just bear with me for the noise.